Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So as we have completed the last time, we have completed the procedures. Now we will be seeing about more Verilog features. So we will be seeing about the first one, conditional ternary operator. So here is the description. If you are familiar with C, you may be knowing this operator. It is used like a if-else statement. So you can go through it. There are a lot of examples given here. So we will directly move on to the practice. So here is the problem statement. Given four unsigned numbers, find the minimum. Unsigned numbers can be compared with standard comparison operators, A less than B. Use the conditional operator to make two-way minimum circuits and then compose them to four-way minimum circuits. You will probably want some wires. So here they are given expected solution length. It is about 5 lines. Here they have given one code snippet. So let's see how we can do this. So basically I will be telling how this operator works. So here we have to give the condition, like if A is less than B, if it is true A is less than B, then this value will be printed, and if it is false, then it will be printed this value. So it is simple. Instead of writing if else, we can use this in a single line. So first of all, we have to declare wires x1 comma x2. So here I will be showing what happens when you don't declare the size of wires and what are the effects of that. So first I will be demonstrating that. So next we have to assign x1. Assign x1. x1 is our intermediate result. Assign x1 equal to. So first we have to give the condition a less than b. So this is the condition. This is the ternary operator. So if a is less than b, and if it is true, then it should print a, and if it is false, then it should print b. So this is our first one. So we have to write assign x2. It is our second intermediate result. So now we have to go with the third condition. So the output from this, we have to check if any one from the output, we have to compare it with C. So what we have to do, if x1 is less than C, means if x1 may be A or B, it depends on the condition. So this is our operator. If it is true, then we have to return x1, and if it is false, then we have to use C as output. So assign minimum. This is our final stage. So similarly, what we have done here, we have to declare same here. If x2 is less than D, then we have to return it is true, we have to return xt, and it is true. So in this we will get a error. Why? I will explain it later. First we will submit it. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. So as you can see, there is a mismatch in our timing diagram. This is happening because your both A and output are of 8 bits, and this is and your wires are of 1 bit. So we have to declare. So it is important to have the wires of the same length. So now we have declared the length. Now we have to submit it. So compilation process has been started. So as you can see, the warnings have gone. So as you can see, the status is success, and these are the timing diagrams. So from this, you get to know how a ternary operator works and what will happen if you don't give length of the wires. So that's all for today. So next time we'll be seeing about the reduction.